Very good morning, my dear children. Sai Ram. So, today we are going to revise chapter number 8, The Robin. Okay. So, first we will read the poem and we shall revise the book back exercises. Okay, children. Shall we? Yes. The first stanza. Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. Thanks, thanks for summer. He sang with all his might. So, in the summer season, Robin sang sweetly and he is enjoying the bright days in the summer season. Okay, so he sang with all his might. Might means strength. So, he sang with all his full strength. He is enjoying and he sang sweetly. Okay, he was enjoying the bright days in the summer. The next one, Robin sang sweetly in the autumn days. So in the autumn days also Robin sang sweetly because he was enjoying the autumn season also. Okay, there are fruits for everyone. Let all give prize. So in the autumn season, the leaves in the tree will fall down, isn't it? Even though the leaves will fall down, there are fruits for everyone in the autumn season. So we should, prize means we should be thankful. So we should be thankful and worship for getting fruits in the autumn season. So like that he was singing and he was enjoying the autumn season also. He was enjoying and he sang sweetly in the autumn season also. Okay. In the cold and wintry weather, still hear his song. So in the winter season also we could hear his song. He was enjoying all the seasons and he was singing all the time. Okay, so in the winter season also they could hear his song. Okay, wintry means cold and dry like winter. Okay, somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long. So in the winter season somebody should sing, otherwise it look like the winter season look like long period. Okay, so he was telling that we should be happy in all the time. Okay, the days may be changed. Sometimes we may be happy and sometimes we may be sad. The days has to go on. So we have to move. So we should be happy in all the situations. Otherwise, the day, a single day will seem long. Okay, like that he was saying. The last paragraph, when the spring came back again, he sang, I told you so. Keep on singing through the winter, it will always go. When the spring came back again, he sang, I told you so. So, when the spring comes, he sang, I told you so. In the winter season, yes, it will go. Like that he was singing in the winter season, isn't it? If you keep on singing, the winter season will go easily. So like that he was singing in the winter season, isn't it? So he sang, I told you so. Keep on singing through the winter, it will always go. Okay, so after every problem there will be a solution. So you have to move on. Okay, so you have to make yourself happy in all the situations. Okay, So like that he was saying in this poem. Okay children. So now meanings. Might. Might means strength. Okay, might, strength. Give price. Give price means be thankful and worship. Give price, be thankful and worship. Wintry, cold and dry like winter. Wintry means cold and dry like winter. Okay. The next one, rhyming words. So from the poem we shall see. Okay. So in the first paragraph, bright might. Bright might. Okay. And in the second paragraph, day's praise. Day's praise. The third paragraph, song long. Song long. Okay. And in the fourth paragraph, so go. So go. So these are the rhyming words in this poem. Okay. Now choose the correct answer. First question. In the summer, the robin is thankful for the dash days. Bright, hot or rainy? Bright days, isn't it? So in the summer, the robin is thankful for the bright days. So I have bolded the correct answer. Okay. In the summer season, the robin is thankful for the bright days. Okay. Second question. What is the robin thankful for in autumn? What is the robin thankful for in autumn? Leaves, fruits, trees. So the robin is thankful for fruits in autumn, isn't it? Yes. So in the autumn season, we have fruits for everyone, isn't it? So what is the robin thankful for in autumn? Fruits. Fruits is the correct answer. Okay. Third one. If one does not sing in dash, it will seem long. If one does not sing in dash, it will seem long. Options are summer, spring, winter. So in the winter season, if you do not sing, then it will seem long. Like that he was saying, isn't it? So the correct answer is winter. So if one does not sing in winter, it will seem long. Okay. The fourth one. The robin says that winter passes soon if we dash. The robin says that winter passes soon if we dash. Play, laugh, sing. Play, laugh, sing. The correct answer is sing, isn't it? The robin says that winter passes soon if we sing. Okay. Next one is answer the following questions. Why should we be thankful for getting food? Why should we be thankful for getting food? Answer is we should be thankful for getting food as some people don't get food. We should be thankful for getting food as some people don't get food. Okay. Did you see some people on the roads? Yes, they don't have food, isn't it? So we should be thankful for getting food. Okay. The second question, what do you do when you are sad? What do you do when you are sad? Do you think you will feel happy if you sang a song? Do you think you will feel happy if you sing a song? Yes? Yes, isn't it? So the answer is, when we are sad, we should sing a song. When we are sad, we should sing a song. Do you think you will feel happy if you sing a song? Yes, isn't it? So the answer is yes, I would feel happy if I sing a song. Yes, I would feel happy if I sing a song. Okay. Third question, what does the robin teach you? So what message he gave us? We should be happy in all the situations, isn't it? So the answer is, the robin teaches us to be happy in all situations. The robin teaches us to be happy in all situations. Okay. The fourth question is, in what order do the seasons come? In what order do the seasons come? Answer is summer, autumn, winter, spring. Okay. In what order do the seasons come? Summer, autumn, winter, spring. Okay. The next one, this one we have missed in the last class, isn't it? So we shall do now. Okay. In each set, circle the word that sounds different. In each set, circle the word that sounds different. So we are going to circle the word which sounds different in each set of words. Okay. See the first set of words. Bright, sight, might, late. Bright, sight, might, late. So which one sounds different? Late, isn't it? So we have to circle late. Okay. The second one, song, sang, long, gone. Song, sang, long, gone. So which one sounds different? Sang, isn't it? So we have to circle sang. Okay. Look at the third set of words. Do, know, so, go. Do, know, so, go. So which one sounds different? Do, isn't it? So we have to circle do. And fourth one, praise, days, nights, pace. Praise, days, nights, pace. So which word sounds different? Nights, isn't it? So we have to circle nights. Okay. And fifth one, thanks, banks, chunks, ranks. Thanks, banks, chunks, ranks. So which word sounds different? Chunks, isn't it? So we have to circle chunks. Okay. So you can copy it in your textbook. Okay, children. So you can copy down in your textbook, children. Okay. The last one, write down all the words that come to your mind when you think of the word winter. Write down all the words that come to your mind when you think of the word winter. So if you think of the word winter, so what are all the things come to your mind? So the things we will use in the winter season. That sweater, scarf, yes, socks, gloves, isn't it? So like that, what are all the words that come to your mind when you think of the word winter? You can write it. Okay, you can write it in your textbook. Okay, children? So read the poem and read the book back exercises. Okay? So stay home, children. Thank you. Sai Ram.